Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na file path traversal sequences blocked with absolute path bypass. So this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in the display of product images. The application blocks traversal sequences, so nabablock niya yung dot slash, but treats the supplied file name as being relative to a default working directory. So to solve the lab, retrieve the contents of etcpasswd. So if we access the lab and visit one of the images, so right-click, open image in new tab, and makikita natin na we still have the file name parameter and we have a file dito, no? So if we try yung etcpasswd, and sabi sa atin, no such file, no? So, pero, pagka ginamit daw natin absolute path, etcpasswd lang, we get yung ating icon here. And if we look at the request, we have also retrieved the whole value ng etcpasswd. So, hindi na natin kailangan na mag-dot slash para ma-access yung etcpasswd at pwede na lang natin i-input directly etcpasswd. And if we go back to the lab, we have already solved the lab. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.